tomatoes. I think there'll be peppers. What else is over here? We'll take a look. Okay, I'm thinking here we can oven roast these, like a honey oven roasted carrot. So it's all about whatever we have in the moment in the season. Carrots. 5 different ways to do carrots. And now I'm gonna do a 5-seconder oven roasted carrot with some sweet heat, cumin, honey, and whatever else we have going. So carrots are delicious, best raw, but often we have carrots every day. I'm looking for something a little different to do. So we'll create a quick marinade, sweet, maple syrup, of course, or honey, a little bit of heat. I have a pattern with what I put in things. So some chili flakes, some za'atar, which is a nice smoky flavor, matches really well with carrots. If you don't have that on hand, you could put in cumin. And then we'll add some sesame seeds because it makes it look pretty. We'll mix that around, and this will make them sort of sticky, and we're gonna oven roast them. So here are our carrots that we pulled from the garden yesterday, perfectly imperfect. I never peel them when you know where they've come from because you don't need to, and they taste better that way. Keeping the greens on, just make it pretty, but you can certainly cut them off. And if I'm buying these from the grocery store, I'm going to be peeling them. If you can get different colored carrots, we seem to have discovered one yellow with a bit of green in it. That's also fun. That's a terrible cutting job. We're gonna throw those in, and then these are gonna go in the oven. This would be amazing just with a grilled piece of chicken or fish, or whatever you want. These will roast in the oven until they soften, probably about 20 minutes. You can do this on a flat cookie sheet as well to make sure everything gets the goodies. And we'll pop it in the oven.
Hi, this is Trish Magwood. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for recipe ideas, food inspiration, and simple home tips. Also go to Trish Magwood on Instagram for food and lifestyle ideas and inspiration, or check out trishmagwood.ca.